Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today, we are going to discuss a new topic, which is decimal. This is our lesson objective. We will learn how to compare and order decimal up to 2 decimal place. Before we discuss more, here is a significant question that we are going to answer. How do we compare decimal? Here is the answer to that question. When comparing decimal, start in the tens place. The decimal with the biggest value there is the greater. If they are the same, move to the hundredths place and compare these values. If the values are still the same, keep moving to the right until you find one that is greater or until you find that they are equal. Here is an example. Compare 12.3 and 32.1. Which is the largest number? We compare the digit in the tens place first. 3 is greater than 1. So, 32.1 greater than 12.3. Or we can write 32.1 bigger 12.3. Since decimal are form of fraction, locating decimal on the number line is similar to locating fraction on the number line. Here an example locating decimal on the number line. Locate 0.4 on the number line. So, how do we locate 0.4 on the number line? Here is the solution for that question. The decimal 0.4 is equivalent to 4/10. So, 0.4 is located between 0 and 1. On a number line, divide the intervals between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts and place mark to separate the parts. Label the marks 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 until 1.0. We write 0 as 0.0 and 1 as 1.0. So that the numbers are consistently in the tens. Finally, mark 0.4 on the number line. Look at the number line below. Now, let's continue on to ordering of the decimal numbers. When we order decimal numbers, start from largest number to smallest or smallest to largest number. Here is an example of ordering decimal numbers. Order 2.56, 2.83 and 0.92 from smallest to largest. The answer is 0.92, 2.56, 2.83, or we can write 0.92 smallest, 2.56 smallest than 2.83. Now, open your books to let's practice page 160 until 161. Now, let's continue to our next topic, which is round decimal up to 2 decimal place to the nearest whole number. When rounding a number with 1 decimal place to the nearest whole number, we look at the digit in the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is less than 5, we round the number down. But if the digit in the tens place is more than 5, we round the number up. Here is an example on how to round decimal to the nearest whole number. Round 7.8 to the nearest whole number. 7.8 is between 7 and 8. Is it nearer to 7 or 8? 7.8 is 8 when rounded to the nearest whole number. 7.8 approximately equal to 8. When rounding a number with 2 decimal place to the nearest whole number, we look only at the digit in the tens place. Example, picture page 163, part D. Now, Answer let's practice on page 164.